Hello and welcome to Global Maths. Today we'll look at a very good question which was asked in American Mathematics Olympiad. This question was given to students up to the age of 12 to solve. So let's try to solve it. We have been given x factorial upon 6 factorial equals to 7 factorial and we have to solve for x. So we'll write x factorial equals to 7 factorial and we'll send this 6 factorial to this side. So it will be multiplied with the 7 factorial. Now many students, they will do like, they will make mistake by doing 7 into 6 which is 42 and factorial, which is completely wrong. If you know the basic concept of a factorial, it doesn't work like this. So we have to solve it with the basic concept. So we'll write x factorial equals to, we'll just expand 7 factorial. So we can write this 7 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. This is 7 factorial. And now we'll expand this 6 factorial, which is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. Now we have x factorial this side and we have a very big number this side. So we'll try to make this factorial of a number. So let's try. We have x factorial this side and we can write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. So we have till 7. Now we're going to find 8. So we have 2 and 4. So therefore we'll get 8. And now we have to find out the 9. For 9 we have a 3 here and we need 2. So we can split this 6 into 2 and 3, 2 into 3 which is 6. So we'll borrow 2 from here. So we'll multiply this 3 and 3 which is 9. And now we need 10. Therefore we have this 5 and this 2 which makes 10. So we'll write 10. This is nothing but 10 factorial. So we'll write x factorial equals to 10 factorial. 10 factorial. So by comparing, we can write that x equals to 10. This is our final answer. Now we'll just cross verify. Let's verify. X factorial upon 6 factorial equals to 7 factorial. And we got x equals to 10. So we'll just put the value. So we'll get 10 factorial upon 6 factorial. Now we'll solve this and this should be 7 factorial. So 10 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 and so on till 10. And 6 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 up to 6. Now this will cancel out this. So we are left with 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. So this side we are left with 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. We can write this as 1 into, and we can write this 7 as like 7, 8 in form of 4 into 2, 9 in form of 3 into 3, and 10 we can split it into 2 into 5. Now we have 1 into, now we'll just rearrange this 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. For 6 we have this 3 and this 2 which makes it 6, and then we have 7 and this is nothing, it is 7 factorial. Therefore our answer was right. I hope you understood this problem And if you still have any doubts, you can ask in comment section. If you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I post Olympiad questions and their solution daily. That's all for today. Happy learning.